Hey YouTube, this is BMX and I'm giving you a bike check. The reason why I'm doing this bike check is because I've never seen one on YouTube before, and it's a really nice bike, so I'm just telling you what I know about the bike. And yeah, it's a really nice bike. I haven't changed anything about it so far, it's all stock. But yeah, so I'll just say the stuff that I know. It's a fit Justin Inman 3. Justin Inman 3 handlebars, grips, frame. I have no idea what the seat is. Fit FAF tire. 25:9 gear ratio. Metal pedals or whatever. Odyssey brake cable, and yeah, it's a really nice bike. It weighs 24.7 pounds. I'll do a hub sound. No, it doesn't really matter. Wait. So yeah, it's an awesome bike. I really like it. If you have any questions about the bike, just put them in the comments below. Peace.